Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating experience as we explore a unique tourist destination filled with surprises. Before we get started, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for our upcoming adventures. Let's dive in. Walking down a street in a commercial district north of Guangzhou, China, we find ourselves immersed in a vibrant showcase of local life. As we proceed, the diverse array of local businesses captures our attention, from small family-owned shops to lively street markets. The bustling and energetic atmosphere invites us to explore every corner of this commercial district. Guangzhou, located in southern China, has gained popularity among tourists for various reasons. Its strategic position as one of the country's major cities, coupled with its rich history and culture, makes it an attractive destination for visitors from around the world. This particular commercial district stands out for its authenticity and the opportunity it provides to immerse oneself in the city's daily life. As we continue our journey, it's fascinating to observe how traditional architecture seamlessly blends with modernity in this area of Guangzhou. Historic buildings coexist with modern shops and restaurants, offering a wide variety of local flavors. This balance between the old and the new contributes to the city's unique charm, making every street a visually and culturally distinctive experience. Now, let's delve into a bit of Guangzhou's history. The city boasts a rich heritage dating back thousands of years, serving as a significant commercial and cultural center in southern China. Formerly known as Canton, it played a crucial role in the economic and cultural development of the region. The palpable history at every turn transports us through the centuries, offering a unique glimpse into Guangzhou's evolution over time. The popularity of this tourist destination also lies in its reputation as a culinary paradise. Guangzhou is renowned for its delicious Cantonese cuisine, attracting food enthusiasts from around the globe. From exquisite dim sum to fresh seafood dishes, the city is a feast for those who appreciate good food. In these commercial streets, one can savor authentic local flavors and discover why Guangzhou's gastronomy is so highly acclaimed. Guangzhou has gained fame and popularity for several compelling reasons, making it a sought-after destination for both domestic and international travelers. Guangzhou, formerly known as Canton, boasts a rich history dating back thousands of years. As a key trading port along the historic maritime Silk Road, the city played a pivotal role in facilitating cultural exchange and commerce between China and the rest of the world. Its historical significance is evident in the well-preserved architecture, ancient temples, and artifacts scattered throughout the city. Today, Guangzhou stands as one of China's major economic hubs. Its strategic location in the Pearl River Delta has contributed to its prominence as a center for trade, finance, and manufacturing. The city's bustling business districts and modern infrastructure attract business travelers and investors alike. Guangzhou is renowned for its delectable Cantonese cuisine. The city is a paradise for food enthusiasts, offering a diverse range of dishes from dim sum and roasted meats to fresh seafood. Visitors often flock to local markets and eateries to indulge in authentic flavors that have earned Guangzhou a reputation as a gastronomic haven. The city's cultural vibrancy is another factor that adds to its fame. Guangzhou hosts various festivals, cultural events, and traditional performances throughout the year. Visitors can immerse themselves in the local customs, arts, and entertainment, providing a rich cultural experience. Guangzhou showcases a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. While historical landmarks like the Canton Tower and Shamian Island reflect the city's heritage, the dazzling skyscrapers and contemporary architecture demonstrate its commitment to progress. The juxtaposition of old and new creates a visually appealing cityscape. Situated in southern China, Guangzhou serves as a gateway to the country. Its proximity to Hong Kong and Macau, along with its well-connected transportation infrastructure, makes it a convenient starting point for travelers exploring the region. The city's bustling markets, including the famous Shangxiaju pedestrian street and Beijing Road, draw shoppers looking for a wide array of goods, from traditional Chinese handicrafts to modern fashion. Guangzhou's vibrant shopping scene adds to its allure as a retail destination. In conclusion, Guangzhou's fame stems from its historical significance, economic vitality, culinary delights, cultural richness, architectural diversity, strategic location, and thriving markets. The city offers a multifaceted experience that caters to a wide range of interests, making it a compelling destination for those seeking a dynamic and enriching travel experience. And now, as we cross the bridge over the bustling avenue of Guangzhou, we bid farewell to this vibrant experience on the streets of the commercial district. I hope you enjoyed exploring this fascinating corner of China as much as I did. Don't forget to share and comment on this video so that more people can discover the wonder of strolling through the streets of Guangzhou. Until the next adventure, fellow travelers.